huge cloud is threatening.
Go, go, go. Okay, right there, right there, right there.
So yeah, this is what's happening.
Yep, that happened. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a setup with me video because your girl has been very busy this month. Although I'm technically working part-time as a balloon artist now, I don't know, people don't want to let me go. So if you're a balloon person, I may be answering some of the questions you already have for me for a long time now. All right, let's do it. Today we're setting up an Elmo first birthday party for one of our regular clients. This is an 18-foot garland, give or take. I think I did go a little over, but it's about 18 feet luxury balloon garland. It's considered luxury because it has balloons of every size. It has 5-inch, 12-inch, 17-inch, 24-inch, and out of the 12-inch I make 8 inches, and out of the 17-inch I make 14, and out of the 24, some of them is exactly 24 and some of them are about 22. Oh, and almost forgot, out of the 5 inches I also make 3-inch balloons, and it also involves bulking for that fuller look. Now, the tail was the hardest thing to learn. It really takes a lot of practice. I usually make it a cluster at a time using 260 extensions. After the tail, I start bulking using 1 quad at a time. This helps me keep track of the footage I'm adding. But if we have a large install, like in front of a building or store, then I bulk in bases, which is usually 3 to 4 clusters at a time. We have formulas for every balloon size and style starting at 10 feet. Having a formula helps us know how much balloons we need per order. It's good for inventory, and it also helps with not wasting any balloons. After bulking, we add our 24-inch balloons, and then we add our 5-inch and 3-inch balloons together for dimension. Let me break it down a bit for you. The initial base is 10 feet, plus I add 5 feet of bulk, plus 3 feet on the left side. That makes about 18 feet. Then we add what we call highlights. They are 3 inches, and they're usually gold or silver, but in this case, they are orange. At this point, we start adding our vinyl. This Elmo, I had to have it made because I tried making it, and that's like 3-4 layers, I think, and it was just a hot mess, so I sent it out. But I did make the name with my Cricut Maker 3. So yeah, this is basically our routine. We do the same thing over and over. I mean, you can tell my installs from a mile away. All right, so now it's time to wrap it up because the wind is picking up. We're feeling a little drizzle out here, and we gotta go.
Put it on because I feel it. Hurry up. Take. She's not here. She's at the store. Okay. So right. I'm gonna take pictures and we're gonna cover that. Yeah. I hear.
Where's the?
Yeah.
Go, go, go.
Okay, right there, right there, right there.
I mean, that was pretty good.
Yeah. Okay, we need a bungee. Oh, where's the ladder? You take it back?
It's just right there by the door. Behind the fence, through the door.
Go. Up. Okay. That's it.
Yeah, we're gonna need a like.
Bungee? I'm gonna unplug this. Yeah, unplug it.
In case you're wondering, this plan B, the tarp idea, was discussed with our client prior to doing this. The chances of rain was about 30 to 40%, and she was willing to take the risk. So we went ahead and continued with the install, although the clouds were threatening. As it turned out, it worked out because it didn't rain after we covered it. The only bit of rain is what you saw on the video. So yeah, I'm happy that it all worked out because this install was not gonna fit in the house, obviously, and it was so beautiful. All right, guys, this is it. If you have any questions regarding my design process, make sure to leave them down below. If you know of anyone who needs to see this video, make sure to share with them and subscribe if you haven't already done so. All right, guys, until next time, bye.